Alright, so this is room 228, and we have another modern fan company, Cirrus short, brushed aluminum. So yeah, there's a light fixture over there. Same control, 4711, like most if not all of the study room. So we'll start off with low. I'm gonna let it pick up the speed. Yeah, must be the start capacitor drifting. If we go to like this room 227, this one is on a Lutron Skylight 3-speed control with capacitor values of 4.5 to 9. But that's not the point of the video. I already finished recording, so this is the main focus here. This one actually has a great low, I'm not gonna lie. Good low speed. So here's low. I always feel like with skinny blades, like modern fan code, they could be good with 4711. That's what I always think. So it's about for low. That's about for, yeah, here's medium. This is 11 rough, by the way. I'm doing this quick because in like a few minutes or so I have to go to a doctor's appointment. So once again, I cannot guarantee nor promise that I can record all the fans in here. And now, high speed. It does wobble, teeny bit. Oh, some ticking noise. I'm not sure if it's the blade ring scraping against the bottom dome or something, but not getting a lot of air movement off of it because of the restriction of air flow. But it is a K55 type performer. It's a K55XL copy, which is rare for a lot of fan companies to copy. Most, not all the time, they will have a K55 copy. But K55XL copies are rare. So, yeah, spin down. And plus this is summertime, so this library is gonna close at 4, so I don't have all the time to record fans, so don't expect me to get through all of them right away. It's just only a matter of time of how many, only just a matter of how many fans I can get through and all that. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.